back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have an exciting video. We got lots of big names like Starbucks, Zillow, TaxSlayer, AAA. We've got some high-paying jobs that don't require any kind of college degree. And of course, the links, if you're interested in putting applications in, are linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. But I do just quickly want to say, I know some of you have commented in the past that you want more like side hustle, extra cash jobs. And so I spent a lot of time looking for those this weekend. I posted last night a whole community post on it. And some of the problems I'm really finding with these and why I don't share a lot of like side hustle, extra cash jobs on this channel is because a lot of them you just can't make a lot of money at. They might be legit real companies that will pay out, but the problem is if you've got millions of people signing up to the same website, the work is just not there. There's not enough work to go around, so you oftentimes sign up and then you're sitting there looking at waiting for surveys or waiting for work pages for hours with no way to actually work and make money. So I haven't made any videos yet to share any of these that I have come across, but if you're still interested in them, no matter how little or how much money you can make, let me know down in the comments below. I've been weeding them out kind of based on my personal perception, but that might not be the case for everyone, so just let me know if you still want to see those. And I do just always ask that you help me out if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, though, we have the company Overwolf. Now, Overwolf, only has 39 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those reviews, though, they do have a positive employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content moderator. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position is applicants, they're looking for people who live on the East Coast. They're going to want you to work that time zone, but they're basically looking for somebody to take on various responsibilities of content moderation, from ensuring that the quality of the content posted on the platform is quality, assisting authors with any questions, and enhancing the overall user experience. So you're going to ensure that the CurseForge project library maintains high standards of quality, appropriateness, and safety, reviewing, approving, rejecting, or providing feedback for mods and add-ons while adhering to content policies. You're going to provide regular daily and weekly reports, maintaining that open communication with the headquarters, just collaborating with any other teams, including the support team, to address any daily operational changes. You're going to respond to creator inquiries through multiple communication channels, just proactively enhancing both the front end and back end project uploading processes. Now, as far as requirements go, no college degree is needed, but they do want somebody who's passionate about gaming. They would give somebody bonus points if you know how to play certain games like Minecraft or World of Warcraft, The Sims. These are very popular games. Of course, you've got to be able to work based on East Coast time zone and be available to work on Saturdays as well. Strong communication skills and strong problem solving skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list a pay in their job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But if you're really good with those customer service skills, next up we have the company AAA. They have 3,600 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote call center representative for their roadside assistance. So you're basically going to be the first point of contact for their AAA members that are facing distress or issues while they're out on the road. You're going to be fielding these incoming calls for members that require emergency roadside assistance, including service such as towing, locksmith, fuel, battery, or minor mechanical issues. So whether they've broke down on the side of the road, they've locked their keys in their car, they ran out of gas, their battery is just not working, things like that. You're going to take all of these calls, so they are going to be be emotional and trying to figure out how to get out of the situation they're in. So just know that going in, it might be a high stress environment. You're going to have to be able to calm these people down. So you're going to have to understand the nature of members' distress and ensure that they are immediately safe. Document the details properly and accurately into the computer system, just maintaining that compassionate and composed demeanor, working with them and relaying that critical information to external and internal teams to expedite the dispatching process. So you're going to get all their information, help calm them down, and get dispatch on the way, whatever they need out to them. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has a prior customer service experience, somebody who has great communication skills, again, somebody who can be empathetic with a strong desire to help people. You've got to be able to multitask, be on the phone, and type information into the computer at the same time, and be proficient in those Microsoft systems. Now, starting pay is $18.85 an hour, and then if you work on the weekends, you get extra money up to $20.74 an hour. Next up, we have a well-known real estate company, Zillow. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a photo editor remote for the United States. Now, Zillow is paying very, very high for someone to edit the photos, and you don't need to have any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody, though, to basically work closely with their content, creative, and production teams, making sure that all of their photos are produced engaging, original, and on-brand solutions. So you're going to curate these photos or imagery that tells their brand story across multiple different touch points. You're going to retouch and edit these photos according to Zillow brand specifications. So you're going to do photo research, drawing on stock photos, as well as licensed imagery. So you're not going to have to be taking photos. You're going to be looking out on the internet, finding photos, and then editing those photos to make it kind of like an original that Zillow can use. You're going to have to clearly articulate vision and approach and give feedback and take feedback and direction, identifying any new sources of photography for Zillow to deliver on strategy. So if you find new stock photo websites that Zillow can pull from, things like that, you're going to have to just help build their overall photo category. You're going to review pictures from external shoots. You're going to have to look at things like aesthetic, sequencing, narration. Does this picture tell a story? Now, no college degree is needed, just 3 years of photo editing experience, someone who does understand photography or design principles, somebody who is self-motivated, a problem solver with strong communication skills. But if you're good at editing photos, maybe you've played around a lot with editing photos for Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. I think there's so many different things these days. Pay is very well. Of course, it's going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $77,800 a year all the way up to $124,200 a year. $124,000 a year is like a little over $2,300, like $2,384 a week, But moving right along, if you have great customer service skills and maybe you've been in some leadership roles before, whether you were a supervisor, a team lead, things like that, Starbucks might be the place for you. We all know them as the popular coffee company. They have 68,000 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a supervisor for their partner contact center, and this is remote. Now, this job posting will be up to December 1st, so you've got a few weeks if you want to get that application in. Pay is anywhere from $78,200 a year all the way up to $132,800 a year. At the $132,000 mark, this one pays more than $2,300 a week. But they're basically looking for somebody to be a supervisor in their contact center, leading an analyst team for their human resources contact center department, which is going to support all of their retail stores across North America. So you're basically going to manage the day-to-day contact center operations through the application of policies, procedures, and performance standards, making sure they are delivered in a world-class partner experience. You're going to support the team performance through helping with goal setting. You're going to coach the employees, and you'll do regular performance and development conversations. So you're going to have to grade the employees, kind of give them feedback on their performance, and help guide them to being a better performer. You're going to work cross-functionally with partners and different business units to resolve any escalated situations, including partner concerns and system issues, just creating developmental opportunities. So this is going to be like more in the human resources space with customer service. So you're really basically that customer service for the employees. They are looking for somebody who has 4 years of some kind of supervisory experience, somebody who has 3 years of working in customer service or a call center. They want somebody who has project management experience, and they do prefer somebody who has human resources experience, but human resources experience is not actually required. If you don't have any supervisor or leadership experience, maybe this next one might be for you. The company TaxSlayer is hiring. Now we're going to see a lot of tax-related customer service and tax-related jobs moving into tax season here in the United States, but TaxSlayer has 117 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring their software customer support, and this is going to be 100% remote, but please know that you've got to be local to their CSRA. So they're only hiring in Georgia and South Carolina. That's why I saved this one to last. It is state specific for those 2 states, but if you live in Georgia or South Carolina and don't mind customer service, pay is $16.50 an hour. They do offer paid training. They're basically looking for somebody to provide promptly and professionally to their customer service inquiries through phone, email, chat, addressing customer needs and concerns. You're going to have to provide accurate information to them with product features of the software, pricing of the software, availability. You're also going to have to do a little bit of tech support, troubleshooting, and resolving any of their complaints and issues, and escalating anything you can't resolve up to the appropriate departments when needed. So you're going to strive to achieve individual and team performance goals as well while you're helping these customers. Now, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who's proven customer service experience, great communication skills, great attention to detail, and you got to be proficient in using customer support software or systems and kind of be a little bit on that techie side so you can help these customers out. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Let me know that you enjoyed any of these job leads by giving it a thumbs up, like button. Don't forget to share with all those friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.